హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే అండి. ఈరోజు 10th క్లాస్ న్యూ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఇంగ్లీష్ 5th లెసన్ గ్లింప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాలో మీనింగ్స్ చేస్తున్నాను. రిమైనిసింగ్ nostalgically, thinking fondly of the past, heralding, announcing, rebuke, an expression of disapproval is scolding, rebuke, an expression of disapproval is scolding, fragrance, scent, plump physique, pleasantly fat body, plump physique, pleasantly fat body, open testimony, public statement about a character or a quality, drifted from, being carried along gently by air, drifted from, being carried along gently by air, martial, having to do with war, canopies, roof like covering that from shelters, prime, best, mainstream, a tradition which most people follow, tales of valor, stories of courage and brave, usually in war, most decorate, having received the maximum number of awards for bravery in war, laid back, relaxed, not in a hurry, rafting, traveling in a river in a raft, అంటే a floating platform made by flying planks together, concealing, traveling in a river in a canoe and a large narrow boat, rappelling, going down a cliff by sliding down a rope, trails, paths created by working, panoramic view, a view of a wide area of land,